Hey everyone, welcome back to Peasy Master. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Walmart location restrictions. First, if you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it. Walmart may use your location to determine which products and services are available in your area. Next, open Walmart and make sure location access is allowed. If you're using a smartphone, open your phone's settings, find Walmart, go to permissions, and allow location. If you're using Walmart in a browser, make sure the website has permission to access your location. After that, open your Walmart account. Go to settings and select addresses. Add your correct address and make sure all the information is accurate. Save the address and try using Walmart again. If you're still having the same problem on your smartphone, open the Walmart app information and clear the cache. If you're using a browser, clear Walmart's cookies and site data, then reopen the website. Finally, sign in again and check if the location restriction has been fixed. And that's it. That's how you can fix Walmart location restrictions. Like and subscribe to Peasy Master for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.